Hi, Nanshe here. If you haven't already been introduced to my new range of odd even earrings and clip-ons, here's a little special video just for you. So these that I'm wearing now are one of the collection of my odd even earrings. These are the ones I've claimed for myself. So I'm sorry if you wanted them, but I love them. So I have made a great pair of clip-on odd even earrings in the same kind of style that I really love as well. It was a toss-up between those ones and the ones that I actually took. Clip-ons are really great because they're really comfortable even if they're weighty. Not that these are weighty, but they are incredibly comfortable and very stylish. What do you think? Well, you know I only do one-off designs, so if you really want those, I wouldn't dilly-dally, as my mum would say. But if you don't like the odd even idea of having clip-ons, I have made some clip-ons that are even, like these. So I think that's a little hard to see. You know how I love materials. Well, the clip-ons parts themselves are sterling silver that I've soldered in sterling silver. And like these, I have added different materials. So these are sterling silver with a yellow dyed quartz, that's heat treated dyed, and some beautiful coated enamel wire in different colours. But I've also been dabbling with the different gold carats, and these ones are 14 carat gold filled wire, 14 carat gold filled, and sterling silver with almandine garnet on the bottom. Again, clip-ons, but even, very even. So as you can see, I do have a big range of clip-ons already, but I can also make a pair of these for you, and you can add those to any of the other earrings, almost any. Some won't translate very well, but almost any of the other earrings on my online store or in my shop, and I can change them over to clip-ons for you. You'll probably need to add on another $30 for these sterling silver puppies, because they are a bit of work. But I'm really glad you've come and listened to me talk about my earrings, and thank you so much for opening my emails and supporting me through COVID. I hope you're staying well and clean and happy and still getting out there.